There are over 4,000 AI tools available right now. And if you've ever opened a list of the best AI tools and felt more confused after reading it than before, that's not your fault. Those lists throw 50 tools at you with no framework for how they fit together. This video fixes that. I'm going to show you how to build a personal AI stack, a small, focused set of tools where each one does a specific job, they work together, and the whole thing costs nothing to start. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tool to use for which task, and you'll never waste time switching between 10 different apps trying to figure out which one to open. Let's start with the framework. A personal AI stack has 5 jobs: writing, research, visuals, voice, and planning. 1 tool for each job. That's it. 5 tools, 5 jobs, 1 decision per task. The moment you know what you need to do, you know which tool to open. The mistake most people make is using the same tool for everything. They open ChatGPT for writing, then for research, then for design ideas, then for planning, and they get mediocre results on most of it because no single tool is the best at everything. Routing each task to the right tool takes 10 seconds and produces dramatically better output. Here's the stack. Job 1. Writing. Your writing tool is Claude. For any task where the quality of the written output matters, scripts, emails, articles, reports, captions, Claude produces the best results at the consumer tier. In blind evaluations, Claude's writing is preferred nearly twice as often as the next best option. It maintains your voice across long pieces, doesn't repeat itself, and produces output that sounds like a real person wrote it. The free tier covers most use cases. Open it at Claude AI. Give it your topic, your audience, and your goal. Review and edit the output. Don't just copy and paste. Your job is editor, not writer. That shift alone saves hours every week. Job 2. Research. Your research tool is Perplexity. Every time you need to look something up, for a video, for a business decision, for anything, stop going to Google. Go to Perplexity instead. It reads the sources for you and gives you one clean-cited answer in seconds. You can ask follow-up questions in the same thread without starting over. The combination that serious creators use is this: Perplexity to find and summarize the best sources on a topic, then NotebookLM to go deep on those specific sources. Perplexity covers the web broadly. NotebookLM covers your specific documents deeply. Together, they replace hours of manual research. Both are completely free. Perplexity at perplexity.ai. NotebookLM at notebooklm.google.com. Job 3. Visuals. Your visuals tool is Canva. For thumbnails, channel art, social media graphics, presentations, and any other visual output, Canva, with its AI features, is the fastest path from idea to finished design. Magic Studio generates images from text prompts. Magic Resize converts one design to every platform size in one click. The free tier covers everything a new creator needs. Don't use Canva for image generation if you need photorealistic images. Use the image generator inside ChatGPT for that. But for designed graphics with text, layout, and branding, Canva wins every time. Open it at canva.com. Build your thumbnail template once. Duplicate and edit it for every new video. You'll spend 10 minutes on thumbnails instead of 45. Job 4. Voice. Your voice tool is ElevenLabs. If you're producing any kind of audio content, voiceovers, podcasts, video narration, ElevenLabs produces the most realistic AI voice output available. You paste text, select a voice, or clone your own, and download broadcast quality audio in under a minute. The free tier gives you enough to test properly and produce one full video per month. The paid tier starts at $5 a month for 30,000 characters, enough for 3 to 4 full videos. It's the cheapest upgrade in your entire stack, and the one most worth paying for first. Access it at ElevenLabs.io. Job 5. Planning. Your planning tool is Notion AI. For organizing your content calendar, capturing ideas, planning projects, and turning messy meeting notes into clean action items, Notion with its AI layer is the most useful productivity tool available. You brain dump everything onto a page and ask Notion AI to organize it into a prioritized plan. What used to take 45 minutes takes 10. The free Notion plan without AI is already excellent. The AI add-on is a few dollars a month and worth it if Notion becomes your primary workspace. Start at notion.so. So here's your complete personal AI stack: Claude for writing, Perplexity and NotebookLM for research, Canva for visuals, ElevenLabs for voice, Notion AI for planning. Total cost to start, $0. Every single tool has a free tier that is genuinely useful, not just trial bait. The first upgrade worth paying for is ElevenLabs at $5 a month the moment you produce more than one video per month. Everything else can wait until your work generates revenue. One last thing: a stack only works if you actually use it. So here's the rule. Pick one task you do regularly: email, research, content creation, planning, and replace your current process with the right AI tool this week, just one. Build the habit before you add the next tool. All 6 tools are linked in the description below. Free tiers only. No pressure to upgrade anything. Subscribe to AIMode for a new practical AI breakdown every single week. I'll see you in the next one.